Alright guys, I think this is like day 36 or something. Yeah, I'm gonna record a pretty short video today because I'm quite gassed. So I need to go to bed. But progress in the game, we now have classes. I have a player class that is controlling the movement of the player, the drawing of the player, and is shooting with an enemy class that does something very similar for the enemy. We don't really need this code. We do need that code. This is the old main file. I have a game class that is basically doing everything that I was previously doing inside of main. It still is a lot of code, but it seems somewhat more maintainable. The problem right now is that I didn't really test this while I was going through. I just wrote all the code, and now I'm trying to run the game and it's broken. So that's great. Yeah, the enemies aren't moving. The player's moving way too fast. The score still seems to be working, but the bullets are also moving way too fast. So something's wrong here. So trying to figure out that bug. Maybe it has to do with when we're filling the screen with black. Like here we're drawing everything on the board, and then here we appended more appending of things. A screen I fill here, because it looks like when I'm shooting bullets, it's like a black, it's almost being covered up again. Let me let's try this and see what happens. Excuse me. Oh yeah, I'm running the wrong file, that's why. Nothing changed. So why are the enemies not moving? Current interval. Let's try and see what's going on here. Move time. Self.last move time. Let's see what's happening. Oh, wrong file again. Okay, it's constantly running. Okay. 0. Current time is also 0. Oh, you know what? I think I know what the problem is now. We're not ticking the clock. That's the problem. Oh, is that self-dot clock? No, this is not necessary here because we're doing that the wrong. Where is the clock, man? Why can't I see my code? Clock. What? Only one match? Oh, there's the time I get ticks. Okay, so I need a clock. Yeah, we definitely need a clock, man. A clock. That was done. Time.clock. Not the right file again. Okay, so that fixed that. That is wrong. These two are supposed to be 10. These two are supposed to be 20. Top one supposed to be 30. The enemies are still not moving. Added clock. Enemies are still not moving. Enemy point values are wrong. Okay, I'm not sure. I need to git ignore. I'm not sure why Python build files are going into Git. That should not be happening. Got triple underscore. Let's copy the path here. Oh, dude, what? I think we need to remove the tracking. Untrack file git. I gotta look this up like I've looked this up like a million times. Git remove -- cached. Ignore. What the hell? Ignore 2. Okay, so where were we? Okay, the enemy scores are wrong. If row is equal to 0 or 1, that is not correct. It should be only if row is equal to 0. Is equal to 1 or 2. There we go. Pretty easy fix. Okay, let me stop printing to the screen here. That was not necessary. Okay, and then the enemies are still not moving. Oh, never mind. I think we didn't need these print statements. Oh, the interval is way too high. Yeah. Wrong file. Where's the first instance of this? God, it runs every single time, which is annoying. You gotta do is like run and kill the game, so I can kind of see what's going on or something. Okay, so yeah, it was greater than. I really won't want there. Let's set it to let's enter the enemy move interval and just see what happens. See if it works. It does not work. Okay, it looks like this is always less than, at least after the first one, so something is wrong here. Let's set our current time. What was current time here? It was get ticks. Oh. We have the get ticks in the wrong spot. We need this in the loop. I don't know, set to 0 here or something. Yeah, I think this is something that should fit here. Wrong file. There we go. Now it crashed, but at least they were moving. Tuple object has no attribute X. Trying to return a fucking wrecked. I'm saying self is a tuple, or wait, saying mid bottom is a tuple. I thought mid bottom did have an X value. Guess we should look this up. That's the only thing about it. So it doesn't have an X value. But it literally says a tuple. This image anyways. Apparently it's not. I mean, how is it not? This is gonna show me. Maybe this image is outdated. says not to. God, let me just use Google. I've been trying to avoid Google because of the AI, but the documentation doesn't even explain how this thing is supposed to. God, doesn't explain how this thing is supposed to work. Oh, it's center X on bottom. So I guess that's what I need. I don't need center X and bottom. Is that what we need? Nope. Okay, what does it have then? Like, if you're gonna whine about this all day and all night. Mid bottom, self dot mid bottom, and then just comment out these things. Are still, yeah, it's comment out what I need. See what this thing is whining about. Okay, so it is a tuple and it has 2 values. You know what? Screw this thing. I'll just use the index. There we go. After much deliberation. So, holy cow. That did not work correctly. Okay. So I guess we can set this back to current interval. Alright, we're gonna keep working on this. But like I said, I don't want to make this video long today because I'm tired as hell. But I will see you guys tomorrow.